Toyota Racing Development is unveiling its next-generation family of TRD Pro off-road trucks for 2019 at the Chicago Auto Show, bringing performance features like high-tech suspension components to the entire lineup, a new 4Runner roof rack and an air intake snorkel to the Tacoma. The entire TRD Pro family, the Toyota Tundra, 4Runner and Tacoma, gets aluminum-bodied 2.5-inch TRD Fox Internal Bypass shocks. They're tuned for the specific characteristics of each vehicle by TRD engineers and offer improved dampening for on- and off-road driving situations. The Fox shocks replace the external bypass tubes typically used on off-road race vehicles to manage damping pressure by compactly incorporating multiple bypass zones inside of the shock absorber, offering a cushioned, plush ride while still providing for bottoming resistance. They also combine high-temperature shock fluid and nitrogen gas pressure to handle bumps and reinforce the seals.